Welcome and welcome to our vlog. Today we are going to play a challenge because today is Saturday. Saturday means weekend.
Yes.
Do you want to say something?
No.
Okay. This challenge is going to be money challenge and building the timber wall. Now we have this pack of money which we are going to be blindfolded like this, and we need to do like this and put the money, how much money you can put in this box, no, in this bucket. No, without hand. You need to put with this, like this. You have 3 times to do it. How much you get is unknown.
And this has.
Let's begin the challenge. Woo! Mom and Dad are going to also play with us. Now we are going to play rock, paper, scissors so that who will start first.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoes. First ножницы. Камень, ножницы, бумага. Раз, два, три. Ничья. Камень, ножницы, бумага. Раз, два, три. No.
Now we need this hand. We need to close your eyes and do it.
First is my turn. I'm going to blindfold. After that, Yangchen, Mom, and Dad. Now let's do it. I'm ready. My first seat.
One, two, three. How many money you get?
5,500.
Is it fake or real one?
Real one.
Show me. Show me. Wow, 5,000?
500. Everybody has 2 times. My turn is now Yangchen turn.
It's Yangchen's turn.
I don't know my ticket.
Oh my god. It's Yangchen's second round. Now she's going to begin. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go! Yangchen's rich! Oh my god!
Then, how much money she get? Oh my god!
Money.
Here! Oh my god!
Money.
Oh my god!
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's totally 8,000.
Show me. 5,000,
7,000.
7,500. Oh,
Oh my god, I'm now broke.
It's too small. Oh my god.
It's Dad's turn. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Begin.
Yes.
Let's play.
Begin. Chile.
Oh. Oh my god.
He's going to reach as well. You are broke now. Dave.
Okay, last time.
Oh, yeah, he's going to get 2,000 now.
Oh my god. Already.
Turn. Let's begin. Mom, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yes.
1,
2,
3.
The first try. Yeah, it's cheating.
No, I'm not
You have
cheating.
1 chance. Second chance.
No.
Oh.
One. 1,
2.
only 5 I did.
Now I'm going to save it. When I will go to my homeland, I will buy a lot of things and spend almost all money to the charity.
Okay.
I have like 5,600. Now, Yangxin, what will you do with the money?
I buy this money for my books, cute, and pencil so cute because I like it, and bag so cute because I'm doing new school and they say, wow, beautiful book and beautiful pencil and beautiful bag, and
How much money you get?
I don't know.
8,000.
8,100.
Yes.
8,100.
This is 500.
500.
Very good.
It's to 500.
Uh-huh.
It's 500.
5,000.
Oh, 5,000 is
2,000.
2,000.
Total how much? 8,000?
8,100.
8,000 something.
8,800.
Okay, and you? How much?
I have 1,500,
I have many,
1,100.
5,600.
I have many.
Right?
Look at that.
Okay.
Look at that.
Are you done?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at that. We have 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4, 5.
Hello guys, today we are going to play some games which are trending. No, it's been a trend, and today we are going to do it. This is Timber Tower. Look, it's gorgeous, isn't it? And
It's big
Mom
color.
and Yangchen are in one team, Team Girl. Dad and I are on the one team.
No, not this.
Yeah.
Daddy, see?
And now we are going to play starting with the youngest to the eldest. Start.
I'm the youngest.
Let's start the game.
It's Mom's turn.
Now it's my turn.
Daddy's turn.
Nice. Now it's my turn. Hey. Next. Oh, mommy turn.
Let's do it.
No, it's my turn.
No, it's...
Who's?
It's gonna so danger.
No, you have English sex. I'm the most easiest person in the world.
My dad.
真的很水。你真的杀死我了。
Brother. I was.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh my god. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Don't touch it. It's not your turn.
Now it's my turn.
Oh, you're going to make it so dangerous.
Be careful.
Yeah.
If you lost, you will lose 50.
Oh no.
I don't do it.
And
This
you need to
one.
do it.
I don't know.
That's so dumb.
Put it on the hair. Be careful. 덕서 진짜. 짱 맛있게. 땅아시.
It's my turn. It's my turn. It's my turn.
Then danger can also have that.
Hey, shut up. It's my turn now.
Tự đến chứ nhìn sao à?
Brother. It's my turn again.
Oh.
Hey! I'm there.
Feliz.
Here's. Daddy's turn. Oh. It's my turn.
It's going to fall like this.
No.
Oh my god.
I'm not taller
Oh my god. Oh my god.
They have no IQ.
Mama,
What the fuck?
and then my check it.
Oh my god. Don't touch. Don't touch.
No.
Don't touch.
Get off my knee.
Yang Chin is cheating. Foul.
Bye.
Hey.
Okay, done.
Yes.
Ngat.
It make it so intense. Oh my god.
Ready?
Oh my god.
Oh my. Kan du kjøre loser?
Wait, loser.
Now it's the second game, which we are going to do with one question is going to be who can make the biggest, not the highest tower.
Tallest.
Let's see. That's first. He put it 2, 3. Oh, Ishad is taking 4, 5, 6. Oh! On the 6th platform, it's now Mom's turn. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Oh my god. Sixth, seventh. Woo! She make it on 7. Now it's turn of Yamcha.
Come here.
Yamcha fast.
I want to hear.
Oh wow, she built this.
1, 2, 3, 4,
저기 불멍은 저기 돈 봐서 맞아. 아빠 돈 받는 맛.
5.
It's my name.
아빠 잘 말해야지. 아빠 좀 할때 잘 말해. 되게 아마 된 거지 그동안. 아빠 좀 해.
4, 5. One more.
6.
6,
Broke the
Wow.
Guts record.
7.
7. Yamcha putting 7th.
I'm scared.
Oh! Break Mom's record.
I'm scared.
8. Now the 8 is the biggest. Now it's my turn. I have a secret idea. No one knows about that. 2, 3, 4,
Hello, brother.
5, 6, 7,
Wow. 8.
Nine.
Wow.
9.
9. Wow, that's the great.
10.
10.
If you like our video today, so please don't forget to smash the like button, share,
and
subscribe, and
And
comment down below if you like our videos, or you can tell us what to improve in our videos. It will be grateful to us. Thank you. We will put a new vlog in I don't know. In next week or next day.
And
So see you soon. Bye bye. Tanya.